In order to understand what edge computing is all about, we need to first understand the role played by cloud computing in industry. In a typical plant, you'd have machines that are generating data and sending it to the cloud via a gateway that routes the data straight to a storage service or to an analytics software. The job of the analytics software will be to convert the data into something digestible by a real-time dashboard or a machine learning algorithm. In the case of machine learning, the algorithm is trained using the data, and out of that comes a model that describes all things that the machine has experienced in the past. So this is useful in the sense that you can then use the model in real time, such that when the machine encounters an undesired condition, you can take action before it causes damage by sending a control signal to the machine at the factory floor. So the idea of edge computing is that instead of sending all the data upstream and have all this activity happen here at the cloud, why not push all of these components to the edge, closer to the factory equipment, so that we can have these decisions made right at the source of the data in order to reduce the cost of transferring data, benefit from unlimited bandwidth, and be able to employ these technologies in mission critical applications, which would have otherwise been difficult to do because of the latency involved in sending and receiving data from the cloud. This in essence is what edge computing is all about.